Today, I want to talk about the brief history, diverse appearance and colors, natural habitat, behavioral traits and intelligence, care, and health of macaw parrots. History. The history of macaw parrots dates back to ancient times. These parrots have been significant to native tribes of South America for centuries. Their flying ability and the beauty of their colors have led them to play important roles in local cultures and myths. During the exploration of innovations in captive breeding, macaw parrots also captivated the interest of European people and were brought to Europe. Conservation efforts have also been undertaken to preserve these beautiful birds. Appearance. The striking appearance of macaw parrots is one of their distinctive features. They have strong and large bodies, usually ranging from 80 to 100 centimeters in length. The feathers of macaw parrots are often adorned with attractive and vibrant colors that set them apart from other parrots. The diverse colors of their feathers are one of the prominent characteristics of these macaws. Most macaw species have feathers with vivid and astonishing colors, including shades of blue, red, yellow, green, and even pink. This range of colors transforms macaw parrots into living works of art and makes them visually captivating among other birds. Another notable physical feature of macaw parrots is their long, tapered tail and sizable leather patches attached to them. This elongated and arched tail adds a special beauty to them and aids in maintaining balance during flight and perching on branches. Additionally, the robust beak of these birds, which easily accesses fruits and food items, is another feature that has influenced the appearance and utility of macaw parrots. In conclusion, the beautiful and colorful appearance of macaw parrot feathers has turned them into one of the most attractive and attention-grabbing species of parrots. Natural habitat. The natural habitat of macaw parrots is one of their main attractions. These parrots live in tropical regions and rainforests. These areas include the Amazon rainforest in South America and the Caribbean islands. They often inhabit high elevations and tall trees. These rainy and humid environments are highly suitable for macaw parrots. In these regions, there is an abundance of food resources and favorable climatic conditions for their growth and development. The Amazon, in particular, is recognized as one of the most important habitats for macaw parrots. This area serves as the primary habitat, especially for various species of blue and green macaws. In these natural habitats, macaw parrots can utilize the diversity of plant and animal species to secure their food. They can easily feed on fruits, seeds, and other food sources. Additionally, the tall trees in these areas provide them with the ability to fly, search for food, and nest. In other words, the natural habitat of macaw parrots has enabled them to adapt well to their environment and successfully interact with their surroundings. Behavior. The behavioral traits and intelligence of macaw parrots are important aspects that set them apart. Macaw parrots are known to be one of the most intelligent types of parrots and possess various behaviors and cognitive abilities that have captured the interest of researchers and enthusiasts of both wild and domesticated birds. One prominent feature in the behavior of macaw parrots is their high level of intelligence. These birds are capable of solving simple to complex problems and often engage successfully in various mental exercises. Macaw parrots generally have high cognitive abilities and quickly absorb and learn new information. Another behavioral trait of macaw parrots is their social skills. They are naturally social and live in small to large groups. They establish different forms of social interactions among themselves, including threat displays, forming alliances, and sharing information. In contrast to some other birds, macaw parrots possess the ability to mimic sounds. They can imitate various sounds and even communicate with humans. This ability makes them a popular choice for breeding and domestication by individuals. Overall, the behavioral traits and intelligence of macaw parrots showcase their unique abilities in thinking, social interaction, and learning, making them incredibly captivating and intelligent birds. Proper care and training. Proper care and training of macaw parrots are essential for enhancing the quality of their lives. Here, we will delve into the most important points related to their care, nutrition, living environment, and training. 1. Choosing the right cage. Opt for a spacious and wide cage for macaw parrots, allowing them room for flying and movement within the enclosure. 2. Proper nutrition. Provide a varied and balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nutritious food items. Avoid foods high in fats and salt. 3. Flight opportunities. Offer macaw parrots chances for flight in a safe and suitable environment. Flight is essential for their physical and mental well-being. 4. Mental stimulation. Present them with toys and cognitive puzzles for mental enrichment and entertainment, enhancing their cognitive abilities. 5. Basic training. Basic training like stepping onto your hand, learning boundaries, and simple commands can improve your communication with the parrot. 6. Social interaction. Macaw parrots require social interaction with you and your family members. Allocate enough time for bonding. 7. Health attention. Pay attention to health and utilize nesting boxes correctly. Conduct periodic veterinary checkups. 8. Living environment. The living space should be enriched with diversity. Providing perches, toys, and various sitting spots contributes to the parrot's well-being. 9. Avoid loneliness. Macaw parrots thrive on social interaction. Avoid leaving them alone for extended periods. 10. Positive reinforcement. Employ positive reinforcement techniques for training. These methods foster a close and respectful relationship with them. In general, attending to the daily needs and activities of macaw parrots ensures they remain healthy, vibrant, and interactive. Health. Maintaining the health of macaw parrots is extremely important and vital. Here, we will cover the most important points related to their care and health preservation. 1. Proper nutrition. Provide a varied and balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nutritious food sources. Ensure that their diet meets the appropriate amounts of vitamins and minerals. 2. Physical monitoring. Regularly examine the physical condition of the parrots. Changes in behavior, feathers, and skin color can indicate issues. 3. Disease prevention. Ensure that all necessary vaccines are administered to protect the parrots from infectious diseases. 4. Warm covering. In colder seasons, prepare the living environment of the parrots with warm coverings such as blankets and suitable layers of clothing. 5. Clean environment. Keep their living environment clean to prevent infections and maintain cleanliness. 6. Feather care. Keep the parrot's feathers clean and prevent a high density of parasites and pests in them. 7. Veterinary consultation. In case of any changes in behavior or health, consult a specialized veterinarian. 8. Parasite control. Regular nesting and the use of anti-parasitic drugs can prevent parrots from being affected by this issue. 9. Environmental temperature. Make sure the parrot's living environment maintains an appropriate and consistent temperature. 10. Prevention of physical harm. Avoid rough handling of parrots to prevent harm to their health. Overall, daily care and regular prevention measures can improve the health and lifespan of macaw parrots. We've journeyed through a vibrant and energetic desert life alongside the majestic macaw parrots. We hope the information we've shared in this video has helped you become more acquainted with these mesmerizing and intelligent birds. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, share your thoughts with us in the comments, and join us for more exciting adventures ahead. Until next time in our upcoming videos.